Tanungin ko sa iyo ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon? Ito ang naiwan na lang is
29.
Out of the 89 billion, 29 na lang. So yung ang nawala nito, tanong ninyo saan yung pera ngayon? Saan yan? Saan ang pera niyan?
Pinatog na sa ayuda, uy.
Ayuda.
Hindi mo ko itong mga tao nakakaun.
Among themselves, they're going to do loyalty check. The military.
It's not by business to have a loyalty check. It is for the military itself to check sa kanila if they are still loyal to the Constitution. Alam mo yung protector of the Constitution, that's a very what does it mean to them and what does it mean to tayong mga tao.
Hindi ba mahirap on your part, Mayor? Like, nung panahon ni, ng dictador noon, madali kasi everybody was in Manila. Right now, yung the Duterte's are based in Davao. Hindi ba mahirap to mobilize? Or
Hindi sila maniwala. Ako may pera ako. But why would I waste my money going there? Wala naman akong kita. Ang ginagamit kong pagkain ngayon, yung retirement ko, malaki nga. Pero I am now 80. Kung mag-abot ako ng 90, saan ako kuha ng pera? You think that retirement can sustain medisina pati lifestyle ko?
ano lifestyle mo, Mayor?
Iyot.
Sir, even you are fractured, but you are part of the whole. What is the
Ang pagganon.
Iyot.
Sama na yung gabi na. Even the fracture, but you are still part of the whole. What is the equation?
No more. Leave me out. Ayaw ko na. I'm just give a statement. Bahala kayo.
Mayor, what do you expect after meeting with some of the military officials and officers and sinasabi? What do you expect from them after the meeting? After meeting them?
Military?
Yes po.
Wala ako sa military. Sabihin ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila that they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict, na huwag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi alam nila yan. And they can always check it out to the Presidential Security Command. Bahala sila. Kanilang trabaho yan protector of the Constitution. How do you protect the Constitution? So if we protect the Constitution by saying that we will protect a drug addict for president for another 4 years, well and good. Yun ang gusto ninyo. Yun ang masunod.
Will you ask the military that question, Mayor?
Again?
Will you ask them that very question that you just said now? The protector of are you going to ask them that?
Sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na. Sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking. I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. And that itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importante yung information Saan na naman ang pera namin? So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong, the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then, and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na. Kagaya nito, PhilHealth. Contribution namin ito sa individual eh. Kayo, wala hindi sa PhilHealth. Tanungin ko sa iyo ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon? Ito ang naiwan na lang is
29.
out of the 89 billion, 29 na lang. So ang nawala nito, tanong ninyo, saan yung pera ngayon? Saan yan? Saan ang pera niyan?
Ginatog na sa ayuda, uy.
Ayuda.
Ngayon mo itong mga tao nakakaun.
Hindi mo man ibigay yan sa tao kasi ginakuha yan sa bulsa natin para sa kung magkasakit tayo. If you spend it for some other way, that is malversation. And that I will tell ang sundalo, sabihin ko sa kanya, that is malversation.
Do you demand PhilHealth na mag-explain ito? Yung PhilHealth, do you demand na mag-explain ito sa public?
Mag-explain ako sa public?
PhilHealth.
Bubulahin kayo niyan.